We've been involved in a number of communities that unfortunately lost their homes, like in Lytton, in Scotch Creek, some homes in Pemberton. Jasper is unique in that hundreds of homes were lost. So it's really, there's a lot of challenges to building, specifically with labor and material supply. So Linwood's very uniquely positioned for this type of rebuild in that we have a design material package where all the materials show up on site, they're prefabricated. So many builders here, there's hundreds of homes being built over a 2-year period. So it's really challenging to navigate that and make sure you have what you need at the right time. But that's really where our design material package sets us on a really good trajectory because we don't have to worry about a lot of that. And it's all really high quality stuff. And I think you can tell that when you walk through our homes, you can really see that.
I've been living with 2 years now, and in that 2 years, myself personally, I've turned over 10 houses, and I'll be up in Jasper for probably the next 2 years, bringing people back home. When you come to Linwood, you're on a one-shop stop.
We try and simplify the process for homeowners, but that doesn't mean limiting their choice at all. So we really are fully custom, and that can be the size of the home on the lot, the interior finishing, what type of cabinets, what type of countertops. Like, it's really completely custom and up to you. Everyone's different. Everyone has a different lifestyle, a different family, a different kind of future plan. And that's where we can leverage our skill set through our entire design team.
Everybody's been putting in a lot of hours and fighting the weather. Some days it'll be nice and warm like it is right now, and other days it'll be snowing like it was yesterday. We will have actually 2 homes done by the middle of May, and we'll be starting 2 houses, and then shortly after that, a business will be rebuilding, Jasper whitewater rafting, and then another for sure 2 after that. The clients have been really great. They've been fun to work with. They've opened up their ideas to create new things and letting Linwood itself do what we do best. This was a custom kitchen, and it'll show the view of the mountain over there with the gondolas there. Big tile slat area for the fireplace to stand on, and it'll be a wood-burning fireplace. Very rare to get into Jasper after the fires, but we were able to do it. 2-bedroom upstairs, but we turned the one into the office. A little basement suite downstairs. A few little things left to go, but big kitchen for somebody that's renting in here. This will be year-to-year rental, and a nice little 2-bedroom. Jasper's more of a tourism town. A lot of these places will become Airbnbs. This one itself won't, but it will help with anybody that's living here who's still waiting to rebuild to come and live here comfortably now while their house is being built.
It's really exciting to see because a year ago, this whole neighborhood was basically just gravel. They're going to be moving out of temporary housing and into their permanent homes is really amazing to see. I thought about that the other day, and I just thought that it would be so cool to leave the town with something that they can be proud of. For us, it's really rewarding to deliver that to a community. Like we do a lot of work in urban centers or on lakeside retreats, and those projects are amazing, like, don't get me wrong. These are just like so much more rewarding to do because it's really, like, it's a really meaningful project. Building a home is pretty scary. Like, a lot of people don't do it in their lives, so they do it once. So having someone that's gone through the process numbers of times walk you through your decisions. So when you have an expert that's there, that's invested in your outcome, it's I think a really great process. We're just in the permit process for this house, so we'll be pouring foundations in a few weeks, and hopefully when we're back in August, we'll be at lockup, and yeah, another exciting home by Linwood.